carefully. That is from CIS company, that is CMI level 3 certified company. It is asking for to BE Tech and MCA completed, not 2022, only 2020 and 2021. Okay. Job location is Indore and you have to immediately relocate to Indore. The degree they are asking is for BE, Tech and MCA, and yes, the streams are CSIT and IS only. Okay. What is required is basic knowledge of Java, and if you have done any project in college, some project in college, which you can explain nicely in interview. Which you can explain nicely in the interview. Yes, if there is anyone, please write why in the chat section. You have done nice project in the college related to CS, IT and IS branch only. Okay, only one. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about something more for this one. Okay, so in this one, they're gonna put you on development profile. It is on totally development profile. Either they can put you for Java, PHP, Ruby on Rails, ASP.NET, Python also, which means you should ready to work with any of the technology, maybe also C and C++. Okay. And initially they will gonna provide you for 6 months. There is a probation period in which you're gonna learn different things. The salary they are offering is 10K for 6 months. After that, package will be 3.08 LPA. Okay, criteria will be any, but you should be done with a good project. How many of you are like that? Please reply why in the chat section. BCA is not allowed. Only BE and DTA, BE, BTech and MCA is allowed. Yes. Anyone want to go for this company? Because I'm telling you, this is not from Q Spider. That is from my reference. And only they're going to ask is the project and the basics of Java or C++, which you know. Not MSc, only BE, BTech and MCA. If you are interested, first tell me how many of you are having at least some good project. Because I'm telling you, if you tell yes sir I'm having, and if you are not having, then after your interview I'll get to know, because I'm gonna get your feedback. And after that, you know what will happen? Me to you, one-to-one talk will be there. And please don't pray for that. Please pray for that, that you will never ever have one-to-one meet with me. Because when I do one-to-one meet, there is something different will happen in your life. So never ever go for my one-to-one meet. I'm not forcing anyone. That is totally your choice. If you have that confidence, yes, I can do that. I'm having this one. Okay. You know what is a CMMI level 3 certified company? It means that company is having good reputation. Yeah, their work culture is very nice. Their work life is very balanced, and they are having means some kind of proper arrangement of everything will be there. That is called as CMMI level 3 certified companies. Yes, how many of you want to go for this one? Okay, one. Do you have any project, Sachin? Can you please turn on your mic and speak? Yes, there is a bond of 2 years. There is a bond of 2 years. And I'm telling you about the bond. This is not this company, any company which you go for the at least 2 year you have to work. If you keep changing the company frequently, your portfolio will become loose in testing and development, which means company will think this that this guy is unstable. He can't do that. So what will happen? Let's say you have joined two companies. One company you have joined initially. After 1 year, you have changed the company. Let's say the second company you have changed in the 2 years. Total, you are having an experience of 3 years. So what will happen in that next company, when you're going for your third company, then what will happen? They will think that, okay, this guy has previously changed the company in 1 or 2 years. So they will not give you that much of package because they will think that you can also dump their company after 1 to 2 years. Are you guys getting? That is the basic concept of bond. To have a good growth in the beginning means at least 2 years in the beginning, and after that at least 3 years. Like that your portfolio should be like that. Clear? So if you are okay with everything, again I'm telling you, you have to relocate for Indore. And the thing is, once you get selected means there is no option of back out. Yes, if you are eligible, please go and fill this form. Yes. Done. Okay, yes. Can you guys tell me what we have discussed in the last session? Yes, we have started with the static variable. So task I have given, how many of you completed the task? Okay, I'll check just a second. Just a second, I'm checking. Only 96 people has submitted. Can I know the reason? Can I know the reason? Those who have not submitted yet. 96 only out of 170. All total 211 people are currently attending the class every day basis. Okay, what is the time? What is the time of class, Janvi? Can you please turn on your mic? Janvi, Tushar, can you please turn on your mic? Umesh, yes, all three people, please turn on your mic. Janvi, Tushar, and Umesh. Turn on your mic. Which grooming you are attending? Turn on your mic and speak quickly. You joined class now, Umesh. Monali Maske. Who is Monali Maske? Okay, Monali Maske, turn on your mic. Can you turn on your mic, Monali? I am telling you again and again, if you come late, that is not acceptable. Come at time, leave at time, submit assignment, that's all. Because if I found that you guys are not listening and having some issues, then I'll tell you immediately on the same day I'll drop the batch. I will directly tell I'm not gonna take this WCC E3 batch. Very simple. And it will take me only 2 seconds to drop your entire 211 people batch. And I have done it so many times. So make sure that you guys are not behaving unnecessarily. Nature is not required. Extra attitude is not required. You are here to learn Java. Learn Java. That's it. Rest thing, you all are very well B Tech, BCS. Please make a note of it. Yes. Yes, so what we have discussed in the last session, we have started the static variable. Yes or no? What is static variable? What is static variable? A variable. Am I audible to everyone? Yes. So simple, a variable prefixed by the uh, a variable which is what is that prefixed by the static keyword is called as static variable. Yes. Screen is not visible. Now visible. I hope it is now visible. Yeah. After that, we'll get to know about the static variable is what. It will get memory in which area? It will get memory in which area? Static area. Every class is having its own static area in which static variable get memory. Okay. Next, we know about static variable is what? Static variable is having default value. Yes or no? Is having the default value. For the character, can you guys tell me what is the default value? It's not nothing, it is space. See, nothing means this. Space means one space. Blank space. Yes, you can say blank space. Okay. How can you access the static variable? First, you can access the static variable directly. Second, with the help of class name as reference. What is the syntax for that? Syntax is very simple. You will write the class name dot operator followed by the variable name. Okay, after that we have discussed that what if variable local variable, I will write what if local variable and static variable or a or a global variable is having same name. Then can you guys tell me what will be the scenario? Not print, it will access the local variable. Okay, let's have some program on it. Yes, correct people. First it will search in the local area if they are not global area, that is class area. Now I'll do some more programs. Oh, yeah. So I'm taking, okay. Can I access the static variable of another class in another class? Yes or no? I'll show you that also. I just don't. Can we access static variable of a class in another class? So I'll create one class, let's say B, and I will create one static variable, let's say B is equals to 10. I'll save it by the name B. I'm not giving the main method, just I am doing this one. And I will create B1 also. And in this B1, I will write it here. One more variable, static int A or C is equals to 30. And I will print system.out.println from class B. How will access B dot D? Correct. You can see in the B class what is there? Variable named as B. So I have written class name as reference and this one. Okay. From class, not B, C1. Yeah. B. What is the output of this one? Line number 7. Okay. What is the output of this one? Println. I will try to access from class B only, B1 only, but with the help of B1 dot C. Let me save this program. I will save B1. I'll open the command prompt. First, I'll compile B class. Can I execute B class? Look at this B class and tell me, can I execute that B class? Yes. Okay. Oh, I forgot to write in here. Okay, I'll compile it one more time. I'm compiling B class. Look at the B class. B class got compiled successfully. Can I execute B class? No. Why no? See, I'll try to execute what I'll get. You can see one nice error we are getting. Main method is not there in this one. So what we can do, we can only compile. Okay. After that, what next I'll do? I will compile the class called as B1. I'll clear it. First, I'll compile B. I cannot execute this one because main method is not there. Now what I'll do, I'll compile C.Java. Oh, it's B1. Java C, B.Java, and Java C, B1.Java. Class name is B1. Java C, B1.Java. B1 compiled successfully. Yes. Can I execute B1? Look at the B1. Can I execute B1? Yes, we can execute the B1. I will write Java B1 and I'll execute. Is it accessing the value from B class 10? Yes or no? Yes. That is what the assignment is there. You can access it. Okay, so I have do it this also, no problem. Now, I will create one more program that you have to trace. Static int A, static int B. Yes, everyone try to trace this program neatly. I want answers from your side. Everyone do that properly. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll save this program by the name B2, and we will try to execute Java C B2 dot Java, and I will write Java B2 and 50 40 50 40 is the correct answer. How many of your answer is correct? Please write Y in the chat section quickly. Okay, how many of you are incorrect? Please write N in the chat section. Okay, so let us try to understand what is the problem with this example. So I'll take it in the paint and we will try to trace this program very neatly. Okay. So when you compile the program, what will happen? Static area will be created, yes or no? One static area will be created, class created, in which static variable gets loaded first with its default value, then with the value you are giving. So first it will initialize with 0, then it will redirect it for, it will reinitialize for 10. We'll cut that. Okay, this is which area? I'll write it here. That is the static area. Next, is there is another static variable? Is there is another static variable? Yes, I have one more question. Can I declare more than one static variable inside the class area? Yes, we can do n number of static variable inside the class. Correct. Then what will happen? Next variable will get loaded. B is equals to first, it will initialize with the default value, then it will go for 20. Okay. Program compiled successfully. Now, you have executed the program. When you have executed the program, always the execution will start from main method. Yes or no? Execution will start from main method. So control will go to first line, main method, then first, what is that? Which variable it is? Local variable. So I am making local variable here only. A with the value 30. Then next line, B will get, what is this? Local variable with 40. Now we will go line by line. 2 lines done. Yes, next line. System.out.println B2.a. What is that B2.a? It will go for which one? Local. Is it a local? No, it will go for static variable. Because you are using directly, you are saying to the compiler B2.a. So B2.a means it will go to the static area and it will search for A. Is there is any A in the static area? Is there is any A in the static area? Yes, there it is. Open your eyes and see A and B. This is A, this is B. This is global, they are local. Okay, after that, next line. What is the next line? Next line is A is equals to 50. Immediately ask which A. First check, is there is any local A? Yes, look at here. This is local A. That is what I made it here. Local A is there. So it will access which one? Local A. Who is Pratik? Who is Pratik? Can you turn on your mic? What you have written in the group? Okay. Is it audible now, everyone? Screen is visible. Yeah, because of construction, we are facing some issue in internet. That is the reason. If you don't know that the construction is going on, because of that, some wire will get cut somewhere. Because of that, we lost internet connection. Okay. So what it will do when we write B2.A, which one it will access, local or global? Which one it will access, B2.A? Yes, B2.A, it will go to the static area, it will check for B. B is there, yes, done. It will print B. What is B? Sorry, it will print A. What is going on? Sorry, we have just one message. B2.A is equals to 60. Local or global? Directly we are using accessing means global it is. So it will make A as 60. Which one? Global one. Where is global one? There. So what it will do? It will make it as 60. So it will change the value of A to what? 60. Do like that. Always when you get question like this, always do like this. This is the best approach. 60. Line number this done. Next line. Print. What is that? B. Which B? Local or global? Local. What is the local B? See, B is there locally. Yes. What is that local B? 40. It will print 40. Next line. Next line. What is that? B2.B. Directly, we are accessing the static variable with the help of class name as reference. Which B? Global or local? It will point to the local or global. Always global. So it will make this 20 as what? 70. After that, what we are doing? Print A and B. Which A and B? Local and global. If you are using directly means there is a choice, local or global. First search in the local area. Which is local area? You can see from this main method, there to there, this is local area. So is there is any local A? Yes, look at here, there is one local A. A is equals to 30. B is there? Yes. But is it the correct value? No. We have updated the value. That is what I have written like that. If you not write like that means you will get confused there. So that is what 50 and 40. So output will be that 50 and the 40. Clear? Now it is clear to everyone. Understood? Okay, let's write notes for that. So I'll create, already it is there, WCC E3 notes. So we have written for the return type. Now that is what 5th of Feb. I write it here, 5th of Feb. Okay. Write down the heading as static variable. In that, write down the definition as a variable declared in the class prefixed with static keyword is known as static variable. Okay. After that, write down the syntax. What is the syntax for them? So syntax will be static data type variable name. Variable name. This is the syntax for declaration. You can declare it and you can declare one more also and you can initialize also like that. Okay. Write down some note point for static variable. First note, write down. What is that first note? Okay. Wait. Don't write note. First write this program a1 dot. Wait. I'll check which one we have to write. Okay. What do you do? Simple. A dot Java. You will write this program first, then we'll write the note. Is it visible to everyone? Go for it, please. Okay. If you are done, you can write down static variable. Static variable. Memory is allocated. Memory is allocated inside the class static area. Second, we can access static variable we can access a static variable anywhere in the class. But how you can do that? First one is directly with the variable name. Second one is with the help of class name. With the help of class name. Yes, write down example for that to prove your point. First, write down this note. Okay, if you are done, then write down this one. I'll tell you which one you have to write. You will write down this program called as A1. Wait a second. Go for it. Okay, let other people write also. Write everyone. Okay, if you are done with this one, A1, go with, no, don't go with A2 and A3 also. Don't go, first write 1 point. Just a second. I'll write. Yes. You can write static variable will be allocated with default values. Yes, please write down the example which you have done in the task. Everyone, I'm giving you 3 minutes to write the code, whatever you have done in the assignment. Write that code here quickly. Done. Everybody has written that program. That default value which you have submitted as task. Okay. Done. After that, write down. Okay. Yes. One more you can write down. If the local variable and static variable is having same name, then priority given to, tell me guys, then high priority given to which one? To local variable, and local variable is used, and local variable is used. Clear this point. This is very important point. After that, write down the examples. Done. Nandini, please check your internet connection. Screen is visible. Okay, yeah, write down. Screen is visible. Yes, done everyone. Okay, if you are done with this one, go for just a second. A2. Yes, write down first A2 and make diagrams also. I'm telling you, if you not make diagram means not work. So whatever the screenshots are there, please go through it while revising. Make diagram from pencil, that will keep in your mind how to solve this kind of question. Because you will get this in interview. Then what you will do? Okay, if you are done with A2, go for A3 also. Okay, if you are going for interview, please don't tell a story there. This story is between me and you, not for interviewer. If you tell, Bablu, bubbly, he will get mad. So don't tell this story. Then he will ask question to you, who is your trainer? And I don't want to spell my name. Because after you tell bubbly story, he will not ask a question. He will judge you that this guy don't know Java. Bubbly what he is doing. That's what when you are going for interview, you use proper technical words like that. Done? Okay. If you are done, please write down this as 1 point. Write down can be access static variable of a class in another class. Write down this as like heading and then write first B. Because I am telling you this happened already. One student got emotional in interview and he told story to the interviewer that said, bubbly. Interview got mad. He told, get out. And then student is asking me, sir, I have explained everything but not selected. Then I asked why. He told, sir, the story you tell me, same I told to the interviewer. Interviewer don't know stories. They are the national waste of this society. Done with this one, B1, write, okay, write this B1 also. Write this in one page only so that you will understand what is B and B1. Otherwise, after like 4 months, you open notes, hey, what is this B1, sir? And then coming and assert out, sir, what is this B and B1 relation? So write properly the things. Okay, that I'll see in mock Nilesh. Don't worry. How much you remember. Especially I'll take your mock. I'm telling you mock will be on within next this week. And I'll take your mock Nilesh. Then I'll see how much you remember. Done everyone? Amar, why you want to take a screenshot? Can't you write? Screenshot will not work at the end. You have to write. Write. Don't take screenshot. Write down this program also. Done. If you are done with this one, please draw this also. Done, guys, this one. Okay, write down first. सूरज का है मेरे में। थोड़ा सा क्लास। If you are done, please draw this like. Go for this one. Do like this, and you have to do it for every program which we are doing. Done? Yes. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye. You can leave the session.